Is your sink strainers disgusting, stained? Maybe you have some rust right here. Look, I've got some rust right here, y'all. This is so gross. Can you see that right there? Disgusting. It's like kind of slimy, and it's just very dull right now. So I'm going to show you today how you can get this sparkling new. You're not going to have to replace this or buy a new one of these. Let me show you how to do this. Now, there's two different things that you could use to clean it. First, you can use this awesome Barkeeper's Friend right here. However, I have a better solution because this does have a little bit of a powder residue after you're finished, and then you have to clean that. So let me show you something else. What I like to use is this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. Y'all, this is so great. It is a very powerful cleaner. So all you're gonna do is just spray some around here, squirt some out all over your sink, and we might as well clean this whole sink. Then all you're gonna do is let that sit for just, oh, not very long, really like 30 seconds, and then we'll be back. All right, so you let that sit and then just grab your scrubber and start scrubbing. Y'all, look, it's already disappearing so quickly. Just get in there and scrub, scrub, scrub. It doesn't take much effort at all. I'm gonna go up my sides here. Y'all, I have a black sink and it shows everything. All of that grummy residue. So just go ahead and take your scrubber all the way around your sink. And then using some gloves, go ahead and take your strainer and go ahead and scrub all this around here. Flip it over and scrub that. Y'all, this is all that it takes. And let's go ahead and rinse this. All right, y'all, look how nice and shiny everything looks. It looks brand new. All of those rust stains are now gone. Y'all, this was an easy fix. If you want to know how to remove smells from your microwave, click on the link right here. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.